Congratulations on purchasing your new Lund Fender Flares. Let's get started with the install. Grab your passenger side fender flare and hardware. Place the flare against the vehicle to test fit and identify the attachment locations as shown here. The holes in the flare should line up with the factory hardware inside your wheel well. Next, attach the rubber seal from one end of the flare to the other end and cut off the extra material. For rivet-style flares, attach each rivet bolt and nut. Secure them firmly in place, but be careful not to over-tighten the nuts. Now remove the factory screws inside your wheel well in the attachment locations 1, 2, 3, and 4. Place the flare against the vehicle again and attach it using the factory hardware. Once the flare is attached, tighten the hardware to secure it in place. When attaching the rear flare, use the provided clamps and reuse the factory hardware specified in your directions.